Yo, what's good, my people? So I haven't been over here in a minute, right? Just been busy creating stuff, right? I know I love to create systems and do all this stuff. So I'm just constantly doing different things, right? But before I even get into all that, let me give you a scripture today. All things work together for the good of those who love God and are called according to his purpose, right? I say this scripture a lot as well because it's the truth, man. And when you really think about it, all the bad stuff that happened, right? Like, is a lot of times in our life where we feel like, oh, we're not gonna be able to get out of this situation, and then that time passed, right? Or certain bills is due, and we don't know how, we gonna get them paid, but it worked out in the end. You know what I'm saying? So I love that scripture because it lets me know no matter what I go through, it's all working together for the good of those for those who love God and are called according to His purpose, right? So don't be tripping, when stuff pop off in life. Everything gonna work out how it's supposed to. All right. So, but yeah, I've been busy, y'all. So originally, y'all know I had created that Autobot for Pocket Options. And again, it worked on a lot of people's computers, and then a lot of people's computers it did not work on, right? So I snatched it out of the bundle. Um, just because I just got tired of getting so many messages saying, "Oh man, I can't get it to work anymore." And I told y'all that's why I added it for free because I wasn't sure Pocket Options was gonna be able to, mess with it, and they probably did. They probably did some type of update, and it kind of messed it up for some people. But it still works on mine. Still works on a few other people's stuff. So, wasn't really sure about that. So I will be in the process of creating something new as well in the future. So y'all gonna be on the lookout for that. But I'm just in my bag right now, right? I'm really just creating and doing things and enjoying, you know, AI technology, you know what I'm saying, and using it to my advantage because it's helping me to work a lot more, faster, a lot more efficient now. So I advise y'all to do the same thing, right? Don't just stick to one industry, don't just stick to one thing. You gotta learn how to be multifaceted. You gotta learn how to do multiple stuff, right? So which brings me to my next point: multiple streams of income, y'all. So I don't know how many times I get asked like if I'm doing Forex, right? If I'm just only posting Forex, they're like, oh, you don't do pocket options no more. If I'm only posting pocket options, they're like, oh, you don't do Forex no more. Or they don't like, oh, you do futures? And I'm like, yeah, I'm like, I just don't show it. But you gotta have multiple streams, y'all. We got multiple bills, right? If we got multiple bills, we gotta have multiple streams. It only makes sense, right? And two jobs is for two people. It's not multiple streams, but you gotta do what you gotta do. But they ain't doing nothing but putting more wear and tear on your body. You feel me? But you gotta do what you gotta do for now. But understand, if you constantly trade time for money, it's not gonna end well, right? You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be stressed out. So you gotta learn how to make money work for you. And the only way to do that is to build systems and create, right? So that's what I've been on, right? I'm trying to free up as much time as possible and do this type of stuff. So that's why you ain't been getting no videos because I'm just really in my bag creating things, right? Different stuff. But I say all that to say this. A lot of y'all on pocket options need to be trading Forex, right? The same way, people on Forex should also learn how to trade pocket options, but mainly on pocket options, you should learn how to trade Forex. And I'm gonna give you a few reasons why. We all know that pocket options can be a sketchy platform, right? It's no lie in that, right? That's the truth, and it's been that way since they started, right? I personally haven't had no issues with my withdrawals or none of that. I had like one little sketchy thing happen where like I had to send in some documents, little stuff like that. But they gave me my money, my 30K and all that stuff. So it was cool. Like I haven't really ever had no problems, but I know other people who had got their account shut down over there and stuff like that. Um, just all kinds of little stuff that happened, but that's never happened to me. So I like when people say that, I'm like, dang, that sucks, bro. But I haven't had those issues. That's why I stayed on there. I haven't had any issues, but a lot of other people have. So my thing is, if you're on pocket options, you should dive into this Forex industry, and I'm gonna tell you why. The reason why now, granted, Forex industry has had their issues as well with different brokers and all this stuff, like switching up and prop firms going down and all that. But I will say this: it's not as bad as pocket options, not as sketchy, I would say, right? A lot of these brokers are unregulated, but they are regulated in certain countries, right? So the broker I personally use, I use Liquid on Forex. Now, if I were you on pocket options, the reason why I'm going to tell you to move to Forex, not stop trading pocket options, but learn Forex, is you got a lot more opportunity over there and you have a lot more security, right? you don't have to worry about your withdrawals coming, right? I'm seeing, like, if y'all know certain big traders, whether you believe, I know everybody got their opinions on certain traders, but trades by side, he trades on liquid. Mamba trades on liquid. I'm just saying bigger traders that y'all know, right? Uh just a lot of people in the industry trade on there. People trade on other brokers as well. But these guys that are making $300,000-400,000 a month or $1 million a month or however you want to look at it are withdrawing from this platform and get money in 2 days, right? Guaranteed 1 to 2 days, same day or or the next day, right? Guaranteed on Forex, right? So that's not something you gotta worry about. So with pocket options, it's like their withdrawals are like you don't know, right? You might get it the same day, you might get it 2 days from now. They might make you wait 7 days. They might make you wait 14 days. You just don't know, and it kind of depends on the amounts, right? Sometimes, so it's kind of iffy. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes, so that's why I trade multiple platforms as well because everybody got their perks. So I trade on pocket options, and I build over there, and then I also build. But another thing that I love about Forex, I will say this, is that you can have multiple accounts over there. You cannot do that on pocket options and you got to jump through hoops to do it. You got to have a friend that already got an account. You got to use theirs. But on Forex, again, you can have multiple accounts under one name, right? Up to like 4 or 5. So I love that. And then I also love the fact that you can take the money instead of waiting until the time runs out, right? So that's why I trade multiple different things and stuff like that. Because again, like I said, you can take the money. If you're in profit 200, you can click the X, take the money, right? You don't gotta wait because a lot of times y'all know on pocket options, when they come back to your entry and it's in and out the last few seconds and then you lose it and you've done that multiple times. If you're tired of doing that, come on over here to Forex as well. You know what I'm saying? So um, again, I'm not gonna stop trading pocket options unless the Lord just tell me to just be done with it. Which I honestly sometimes I feel like He's trying to lean me towards more so just trading on futures and forex. Uh, just because of just the uncertainty of it sometimes. Just for other people, not mainly for me because I haven't had no issues, but just me promoting it and then other people having issues, and I'm like, dang, that sucks. You know what I'm saying? Because I want everybody to be, on the same wave. So again, multiple streams of income is what you need to do. You know what I'm saying? So uh if you've been on pocket options for a long time and you love it, again, I'm not telling you to leave it because I'm not leaving it right now, no way. But I'm saying I do certain things. Like I'm learning more about the platform that I'm on the Forex side, and I'm finding stuff out about it that I'm able to utilize and create stuff on. And I'm just enjoying it as well. So that's probably why you ain't seen me upload over here and you like, oh, the $5 challenge. Yes, the $5 challenge it was going great. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I got up to 1,400 and then I lost all the way down to $43. You know what I'm saying? Just to keep it a buck. And I was just like, okay, whatever. And then I ain't got back on there since, and I was on Forex, eating over there and creating systems and doing that. So I just haven't uploaded no more videos. So that's what happened with the $5 challenge, if you want to know. So I just haven't made no more videos, but I will in the future. I'll be making more and more videos coming on there because again, I'm trying to still create some stuff as well, like robots on pocket options as well and do all kinds of stuff. So y'all gonna enjoy it. People was asking me about groups. Like, are you gonna ever start a group again? Are you gonna live trade again? And I'm like, honestly, right now in this stage of my life, I don't want to do that. Right? I'm enjoying time with my family. I'm enjoying my kids. Like I said, we're in summer. We're summer now, but like we will be homeschooling them and stuff in the fall. And I'm just been in my family bag. Like we be taking family trips, with our peoples, and we just enjoying our time, y'all. So I ain't really just in no crazy rush to get back to live trading in the mornings and all that. Honestly, it's a lot of pressure too. If I'm just gonna keep it a buck with y'all, it's a lot of pressure, bro. Like I trade way better by myself. You know what I'm saying? And most of y'all probably know too. Y'all the same way trade way better without the pressure of other people watching you or knowing, and it's just like I hesitate way more if people are on there versus if I'm just by myself. I'll just get in a trade and won't even think about it. But when I know I got 100 people on the call with me watching, I'm like way more nervous. I'm second guessing stuff, and it could be a mess sometimes, right? So, um, I just like the piece of just trading by myself. And that's the best part about trading, y'all, is that again, nobody has to know what you do. You could do this privately if you want to or whatever. But I just got a whole bigger mission with trading that I'm trying to do in the future that's not self-centered at all. It's all about other people and what I could do for them. So that's coming up in the future, Lord willing. That y'all be able to see what I'm a bigger agenda that I got with this trading game or whatever. So yeah, just wanted to give y'all some updates on kind of where I am right now with everything, and just shed light on you having multiple streams of income. And I ain't just talking about trading, right? We talked about on the Forex channel. Make sure y'all. That's another thing. I don't think a lot of y'all know I have multiple channels. So this is my binary options channel, Jeremy. J Cash Investments. That's binary options, right? And then I have Jeremy Cash, Young CEO. That's my Forex and like credit channel that I talk about Forex and credit. Then I got Jeremy Cash TV, which is vlogs. So I don't think people know that, because I know people be like, "Oh, I haven't seen you," or this, that, and the third. And they might be looking at only one channel, but I'm posting on other channels, right? So just to throw that out there. But again, your multiple streams don't gotta just be in the Forex industry, right? You can branch out. Like AI is big right now, y'all. I don't think y'all know how big it is or how big it's gotten. And some of y'all, let me see how much time I got. Okay. Some of y'all need to tap into it while it's still, early, because it's gonna be huge, right? So I've learned so many different things with AI now that it's a beast. Like you literally can be a faceless. You could literally be faceless now, right? Because you could create your own character right now, and you can do so much stuff. If you wanted to be a Forex influencer, now you could be one, or you want to be this. Like, but I'm saying in the aspect of like you could tell your story without, tell a story or whatever through a character that you create. Like it's dope. I see a lot of people doing Bible stories and all this other stuff with it. It's super dope. You could really get creative with it, y'all. So there's a lot of stuff you could do for other businesses through AI and all these different things. So I'm just learning so much, and I advise y'all to do the same, because I'm telling you that this next wave that's coming is we living in a wealth transfer right now, right? It's so many different ways to get it and to eat, that as long as you're not lazy, you can eat out here, right? So don't just focus on, oh, I can only do pocket options, I can only do this, I can only nah. Scale, like get to the point. If pocket options is not working for you, right, and you haven't got it to work, and you just feel like this might not be for me, guess what? You still got futures, right? You still got Forex. You still got stock options, right? You still got all these different other opportunities that you could tap into, because believe it or not, a lot of people that trade Forex don't trade binary options. They don't trade on pocket options, right? A lot of people that trade futures don't trade Forex. You know what I'm saying? Or vice versa. Like, so it's so many different industries out there that you could really just get it popping anywhere, right? I just happen to, do a little bit of everything, and enjoy it, right? But that might not be for you. You might just want to stick to, oh, let me try this, and then you might find out you love it. Like, let me go to Forex and see what that's talking about, and you might find out you love it. So if you are somebody who does want to do Forex, right, in the link below or in the comment below, pinned to the top or in the description, I will have the Forex broker that I use, and I will have a tutorial under there, free tutorial, showing you how to walk through the trading platform, right? And for free. Sign up, set your chart up, what to do, how to trade, how to place a trade, all this stuff. And I also got a free Forex course on tradesupply.net, right? And a free binary options course, free credit course. All that stuff is on there, right? So you can go over there, get all the game and knowledge you need, as long as you're not lazy. Again, it's gonna be popping. I'm also opening up affiliate program for my products coming very soon, probably this week of this video, right? If it's not gonna be before then, right? So just know your boy been working, man. I've been putting in the work just for the people, bro. It's really not for me. I got all I need. I'm blessed, and I'm just in a season of just wanting to give, right? And give and give and give, right? So that's my spiel for today, y'all. I just really wanted to put that out there just so people will know, like, look, you can do more than just pocket options, right? There's other stuff out there that you may find a better what better fits you. All right. So I think this mic is about to go out. But I love y'all. I will see y'all, Lord willing, in another video. Holla at your boy. Peace.